And now for the steak. We're doing a mustard peppercorn encrusted ribeye. And I think out of all the beefs, ribeye has got to be right up there, maybe my favorite steak, because it's got enough fat in it and marbling to really make it juicy and tender. Michael and I just love buying the whole boneless ribeyes so we can cut our own steak. Oh, look at that steak. All that wonderful marbling in it. This is gonna be just delicious. As I told y'all, I'm doing the cracked peppercorn on it. So I've got my old handy, reliable cast iron skillet, and I'm just gonna crack the pepper just like that. But I've already gotten some done here. Now all we're gonna do is take this steak and I'm gonna brush it with Dijon mustard. So this is gonna be a hot steak. It's gonna be a little on the warm side from the Dijon mustard and the cracked pepper. But I have to tell you, Michael loves the heat. He loves steak au poivre, you know, which is nothing but a black pepper encrusted piece of meat. So I'm gonna do it really, really nice and heavy. And then we're just gonna flip over here and do the other side. When you think of grilling steaks, you just put your soy sauce and your black pepper on it, but there's really a lot of different things that you can do to your steaks. The last couple of minutes of cooking, I love to coat them in a barbecue sauce, a homemade barbecue sauce. Ooh, that looks just delicious. All right, we're gonna put our steaks on the grill. Ooh, hear it sizzle. Ah, these are gonna be delicious. Now, I've got some wood chips down here. I'm very fortunate that my grill has a box, so it allows me to put the wood chips to flavor it. I'm gonna show y'all a neat little tip on how you can make your own wood box in case your grill doesn't have one. I'm gonna cook this probably 6 or 7 minutes on each side, and you should turn him only once, so make sure you've had plenty of time for him to sear. All right, let's check on our steaks. Ooh, yeah, those look good. Let's take a look at our steak. Look, girls. Now we're just gonna pile this up on our baked potato. Oh, how good does that look? All right. Oh, this steak is a perfect medium rare.
Hey y'all, it's Paula Deen. Now, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to like it and click the subscribe button as well as the notification bell to be alerted when I post a video. Love and best dishes, y'all.